Changing the fluid in a whining Ford Escape power transfer unit often fails to stop the noise. The only permanent fix for a damaged PTU with scorched fluid and metal shavings is a complete unit replacement. Once the internal bearings are compromised, new gear oil cannot reverse the mechanical damage. The power transfer unit acts as the transfer case for the all-wheel drive system. It sits right next to the hot catalytic converter. This extreme heat bakes the factory gear oil over time. The oil turns into a thick black sludge. Without proper lubrication, the bearings inside the PTU overheat and begin to grind against each other. This grinding creates a high-pitched whining or humming noise during acceleration. Many owners attempt to drain the old sludge and pump in fresh gear oil. Fresh fluid provides temporary relief for minor shuddering. A loud, continuous whine indicates the internal gears and bearings are already permanently scarred. Metal shavings found in the old fluid confirm irreversible failure. Running a severely damaged PTU can lead to it locking up completely. This sudden lockup can cause extensive damage to the transmission or even a fire risk from extreme friction. Replacing the entire power transfer unit restores the drivetrain back to safe factory condition. A replacement involves dropping the exhaust and removing the drive shaft. Installing a new unit guarantees the all-wheel drive system functions smoothly without the constant whine. Regular fluid changes on the new unit every 30,000 miles prevent this failure from happening again.